Ever tried dividing by zero on your calculator and got an error? Let's find out why math just can't handle it. Let's start simple. 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. As we make the denominator smaller, 1, half, a tenth, a hundredth, look what happens to our answer. It keeps growing. The smaller the number we divide by, the bigger the result becomes. So what happens if we actually reach 0? 10 divided by 0? Well, math breaks. There's no number that makes sense here because nothing multiplied by 0 can give you 10. That's why this is undefined. As the denominator gets closer to 0, the answer gets closer to infinity. But infinity isn't a real number. It's a concept. So we can't say the answer is infinity. We say it's undefined. So dividing by 0 doesn't give us a huge number. It gives us no valid number at all. That's why your calculator says error, and why math just, well, says nope. If you like this visual breakdown, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And as always, thanks for watching.